How are you today?
All good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Okay, bud. So today we will try to remember the steps to learn the freestyle. Okay? To make your freestyle improving. So it's kind of easy, huh? The stroke freestyle. Your intention is to glide on the surface of the water and stop to fight. Huh? The objective is not to be a fighter, it's to be a swimmer. So you have to relax, and every time you touch the water, to glide. Okay? So there is 3 steps to learn the freestyle. The step number 1 is to learn how to do the streamline, the arrow position after you push on the wall. So basically you have to put your both hands together behind your head. Okay, you're very stiff, so try to bring them together here like this. Cool. And then your head below. Then you blow your bubbles with your mouth. You don't show me your head here. And you kick on the surface. Basically you just push and glide on the surface. No need to use your hands, okay? All right, put your goggle on. Let's try. Step 1 is super easy. So you take a big breath and you do the arrow position until me on the surface. Go. All right, awesome. You almost died. Okay, you can use your legs. You have to kick the water, remember?
Yes.
All right, take a breath and go. And kick all the way. Kick, 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 keep your head down. Awesome. Remember to keep your head below the water. I don't want to see your head on the surface, I want to see nothing. So chin on your chest, push and kick, kick, kick. The kick are small and fast, huh?
Okay.
Come. Kick, 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 kick. Awesome. Wow, that's cool. Okay, we did 10 meters about. Yeah, see? All right, let's go back, same things. Take a big breath and just kick. Woo! Okay, for the kick, right? You don't put all the water all over. Kicks are small and fast on the surface. Okay, and your feet are pointed, huh? Don't put your feet like this. Point your feet and relax. Okay, cool. That's good for the step 1, so easy, right? Okay, step number 2. If you don't know how to do, we'll do the freestyle. So basically freestyle is like your both hands swim together, right? Huh? You go. But when you learn, it's very good to learn how to use only one hand first to feel your resistance in the water, the power. So when you pull, right? You pull, you look for the power underwater, feel the resistance in your hands, on your first portion of your arms. That's why you keep your elbows up. And then after you accelerate the movement behind, okay? You pull and you accelerate behind. So we'll use a board for it, right? So the board, don't press it down. You have to push the board forward. Freestyle is going forward to glide. So you want to glide when you swim, okay? So that's your board, basically. You will do one big stroke, pull underwater, feel the resistance. Go back on the board, grab the board, push the board. And then you change your hands. Pull and stretch, grab the board. Pull and stretch, grab the board. So when you pull the other hand, stretch. When you pull the other hand, stretch. And at number 3, turn your head on the side and breathe. Okay, so to breathe, okay, blow your bubbles first. I can see something. Okay, to breathe, you just turn your head. There you go. Okay, important, huh? When you breathe, don't chin up. Don't look where you go. Look eyes inside the water. Okay, so half of your face inside the water. Here, you're very close to the water. So with the other hand, basically you hold the board. You will breathe like this, okay? And you go back your head before your hand pass your face. So your hand is here, then go back on the water, bubbles, grab the board. All right? So the timing matters, huh? You turn your head to breathe when you pull. You go back your head before your hands. And during stroke 1 and stroke 2, you do bubbles. So bubbles, bubbles, turn your head to breathe, catch the board. Bubbles, bubbles, turn your head to breathe, catch the board. So you turn your head at the pull number 3. Huh? Okay, go easy with your legs. So we do arrow position with a board and the strokes. Let's go. So 1 pull, 2 pull, turn at number 3, breathe, and bubbles. 1 pull, 2 pull, turn at number 3, breathe, and bubbles. All right, stop. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. When you breathe, the water is here. Yeah. So basically your face is too high, right? Oh, yeah. Try to be a bit closer, but otherwise it's good. Okay. All right, let's go, continue. So one pull. Okay, two pull. Turn out number 3, breathe, and bubbles. One pull, two pull. Turn out number 3, breathe. Better, bubbles. There you go. Hey, much better. You drink water?
No.
Okay, this time the water was about it. Yeah. Okay, that's kind of good. Okay, if you chin up completely, the water is here is bad. Yeah. And the more you look up, the more your feet sinks. So freestyle is about being very horizontal. Huh? Okay. If you look up too high, you're not horizontal anymore. Behind, it sinks, and then your balance is not good. Okay. We do again. Step number 2, freestyle turn out number 3 with a board on the front. Keep your eyes in the water when you turn your head. You have to go slowly. Huh? It's not a fight, remember? Feel it. Feel it's easy. Let's go. And 1 pull. 2 pull. Turn out number 3, breathe. Go back. Allez, a bit too high. 1, 2, turn, breathe. Okay, better. 1, 2, turn, ice in the water, too much. All right, stop. Okay,
too high.
On this side you're not too bad. Yeah, on this side you turn too much, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you realize it? So that's good if you know. Okay, the good point is I can see how you remember the last lesson, right? You pull and then your hands
try to follow.
Yeah, follow up your body. So basically that's very good. When you pull after your hands, stay close to your body, elbows high, so the guys behind you can read under your arms. That's cool. And your hands is relax. If you relax, it's nice. If you're stiff, you're like a stone, you're gonna sink. If you're soft like this, you're like a leaf, you're gonna fly, you're gonna glide and stretch. Pull, relax your elbows, keep your hands relaxed near to your body. You can even surf with your fingers in the water like this, do a bit of surfing with your nail in the water. So basically your hand is almost touching the water. Oh, see, that's very relaxed. You don't need to be outside too much, that's hard, or straighten arms. Just be close to the water and relax your arms, and then go. Okay? So the step 3 is the same things with the board disappeared. See, I have my board, it's gone. It's the same thing. And instead of catching the board, what you're gonna do, you're gonna catch the skin of your hands. So you're gonna touch the other hand. So freestyle touch. Okay, step 3, freestyle touch your hands. 1, touch, 2, touch. Turn out number 3, breathe and touch. Okay? The real freestyle is no touch, huh? But let's do this one first. All right, are you ready? Yep. All right, let's go. Okay, so 1 hand, touch your skin. 2 hands, touch your skin. Turn, keep your hands under your face. Yes. Turn out number 3. Wow. Okay, Christian, it's very nice. You know, the tricky part is when you turn your head, usually what you want to do, you turn your head, you want to use your hands to push the water to keep your head up. That's the mistakes. When you turn your head, you want to stretch forward. And remember this hand, pull for this one to glide. Huh? They work together. I pull for you, this one pull for her, and pull and glide, or pull and glide. It's not pull and fall. If not, you're gonna keep falling instead of gliding. Okay? The same freestyle. Touch your hands, eyes in the water. I'm gonna check your eyes now. Let's go. Okay, good one. Allez. 1 touch, 2 touch. Turn out number 3. Keep your hands up. 1, 2. 1 eye in the water. All right, a bit too much. The turn. Okay. Very relaxed on your arms. Turn. All right. Okay, there is still this side or you turn a bit too much, but definitely much better than last time when you chin up completely, right? All right, what's happening if you turn too much your head? Let's try, huh? Come horizontal. Okay, now turn your head too much. You see your body below? It's twisting.
Yeah.
Okay, your legs are twisting and you become like this. And that's a mistake.
Okay.
What you want to do is to not twist too much.
Okay.
When you swim, you want to keep your body straight, swing a little bit, okay, but not too much. If not, you lose your balance, your legs open, and that's not right. Okay. And your head is the first things to lead. If your head move too much, the rest of your body will move too much.
Okay.
So this is the leader. Move it less possible, turn just enough to breathe, not too much. Okay. So keep touching your hands.
Okay.
Allez, freestyle step 3, touch your hands. Let's go. Allez, one hand touch, two hands touch, turn at number 3, too much. One hand touch, two hand touch, turn at number 3, better. 1, 2, relax, huh, Christian? This side too much, this side better.
Yeah, this side.
Take a breath. Allez, you have to relax. The more you are stiff and tense, the more you consume oxygen, the more you are breathless.
Sure.
We don't want this.
On the last, I was too short.
Yeah.
I didn't get enough air. I got more water. I was like,
Yeah, but that's normal. So just be careful, huh? Easy. Allez, let's go. Come. So 1, touch, 2, touch, turn at number 3, better. All right, relax. I feel your hands, you're so, I feel you very stiff, Christian. All right, touch, touch. Don't turn too much, don't turn too much. All right, that's better. Yes, man. Hey, see this one? You turn less, you can glide better. You turn too much, hop, you fall. You lose your speed, huh?
Definitely.
Okay, so the next step is to do the same thing. Oh, it's good for you because you're heavy, huh? Full of bones and muscle, so you sink like a stone. It's not helping you a lot. So the step 3, second portion, is to do a freestyle. Touch your hands with the board between your knees, so you're gonna fly more with your legs, huh? It helps you to don't sink. No need to kick.
No need to kick. Okay.
You work only on your upper body. You see your balance will be a bit shaking. That's normal. Try to balance it by swimming with your hands touch. Still touch. So this is tricky. All right?
Okay.
Let's go. Allez, don't lose your balance. 1 and touch your hands. Well, I told you. That's more tricky. Now we are going on more advanced. Hey, no, start from here. It's okay. Put it in between your legs, and I'm telling you, if you go too slow, you will lose your balance. So you have to go 1, touch, 2, touch, turn at number 3, touch, 1, 2, 3. So it's timing. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Don't lose your rhythm. If you lose the rhythm, you will lose your balance.
Enough. Okay.
Let's go. Allez, so 1, 2, turn, 1, hey, 2, not too bad. That's excellent. Hey, good. 1, 2, turn at number 3. Wow. Hey, you got it. You got it first try.
Not too bad.
Okay, you understand what I'm saying. If you go too close to the water, you hit the water, you have resistance. I saw you doing this. You pull in the water, and then when you come back, your hands in the water. That's not good. You have to fly above the water. Near to the water, but above. If not, you pull in the water this way, okay? And this way, it's full of resistance. You're gonna lose and you're gonna flip.
Sure.
And then, don't stop your arms. You need the rhythmic. Hop, 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 and touch, 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 and touch. Okay? But that was excellent for the first time. I thought you will not make it. All right, same things. Freestyle, touch your hands with a board between. Relax your elbows. Aye, come. Touch, touch, turn and touch. Keep your hands on the surface. Touch your skin every time. Not too bad. Don't turn your head too much. Good. Ali, touch your hands on the front. Objective is to glide. Wow, hey, that's cool. How you like the pool boy? Do you like it? Makes you float, right?
Yes.
It's easier to keep going. It keeps you horizontal.
Keeps you horizontal, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's the point of it.
Definitely.
Okay.
But at the same time, since you don't have the balance of the legs, so sometimes you feel you go a bit.
Yes, but if you're good with this one,
Yeah.
especially if you keep touching your hands, you will be good for the next step, which is the last step.
Okay.
So step 3, last part number 3,
Butterfly.
is to do, no, butterfly is like his show off later. This is freestyle, no touch.
Okay.
Freestyle, elbows up, hands open. So open your hands on the shoulder. We don't touch anymore. We open shoulders wide. We don't cross the line of your head. Okay, you keep open. Pull on the right. When your hands go back, okay, you will hit the water as far as possible. Don't go close to your face. Jump your hands as far as possible, then glide underwater. Don't sink your hands. You go as far as possible, touch the water, glide just underwater, and stretch on your shoulders.
Yeah.
When you do this, the other hand pull.
Yeah.
So pull and stretch. This one go back. When this one touch the water, stretch and pull. Stretch and pull. Stretch and pull. Okay, basically you stretch and pull. And listen to the sound of my arms hitting the water because I'm very relaxed. Tack. Splash. Splash. It's not the bomb, huh?
Okay.
It's a relaxed thing. Splash. Splash. Stretch and pull. Stretch and pull. Stretch and pull. Stretch and pull. And you stretch up, you don't stretch down. Okay?
Okay.
Same things, you turn at number 3, but this time don't touch your hands. Side to side, stretch and pull, stretch and pull, stretch and pull.
Legs normally.
Legs just kick. Easy. Legs are for balance, okay? Let's go. So, allez, 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, turn. Keep going. Okay, look, Christian, it's not too bad, huh? But you are a bit too much like this. I want you to open. See how your shoulders are wide? You are wide like that. It's very wide. So I want your hands to be wide like your shoulders. Huh? Basically, you will swim like this. Stop to go like that.
Okay.
It's finished. Now you have to learn how to be more straight. You're like on the train, huh? Each arm on one rail. Yeah? Okay. So stretch, pull, stretch, pull together. Stretch and pull, stretch and pull, stretch and pull. On the rail, okay? No more middle.
Okay.
Allez, let's go. Allez, bud. Stretch, 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 stretch. Allez, don't sink your hands. 1, 2, turn and stretch on the surface. 1, 2, turn and stretch on the surface. Okay, that's not too bad. How you feel?
Better, but still a bit, probably a bit tense.
Okay, you're learning about this sensation. You have no more board, you have no more touch. So it's all about the feeling now. You need to pull to help the other one to stretch on the surface. You need to relax as much as possible to don't sink and to be able to save your energy, okay? And you need to feel the correct speed. When you are on the good timing, you will feel it's easy.
Yes.
And it's actually nice, huh? It's enjoyable. You like it. When you fight, you feel it's a mess. You have no sensation of resistance. You have no power in your hands. You are breathless. You don't know when to turn. You are not in control. You control the speed, control the sensation, and try to enjoy. Okay? Swimming is about sensation. So now let's practice longer distance and we will make you better.
Okay.
Cool?
Okay, cool.
All right.